Hello, and thank you for attending our Schedaero webinar. In this session, we will review our Schedaero and CAMP integration that translates information from our aircraft logs page in Schedaero to CAMP and vice versa for streamlined maintenance tracking. We will also review setting up and activating the integration and the different data points integrated between the two systems. This is a two-way integration, so information updated in Schedaero is fed to CAMP and information updated in CAMP is fed to Schedaero. Let's start by reviewing the integration. Again, this is a two-way integration for the maintenance tracking on your aircraft. In order to activate it, you will need to contact your Schedaero sales representative. Once activated by your Schedaero representative, you will then need to contact CAMP and inform them which aircraft you would like to integrate with Schedaero. Once CAMP has verified your aircraft are ready to integrate, go to Company, then Settings, and click on the Integrations tab. Enter your CAMP credentials down below, your login and password, and hit Save. You will now notice the CAMP integration is active, but 0 aircraft are mapped. So let's map your aircraft. Click Configure CAMP Aircraft, and a new window pops up. Select the aircraft from the Schedaero drop-down menu that matches the aircraft in CAMP, and indicate if you'd like a one-time import of totals from CAMP, and hit Save. The one-time import function will import the current CAMP totals into Schedaero. Now that your aircraft are mapped between CAMP and Schedaero, let's roll over to our maintenance page by clicking on Aircraft, then Aircraft Logs. This is Schedaero's aircraft maintenance page, where you can get an overview of all your aircraft maintenance numbers. We also flag if an aircraft is coming due or past due for maintenance on the left side of the tail number, and list which aircraft are mapped to CAMP with a green check mark. To see more detail about a specific aircraft, click on it, and the system will expand down. The different areas that are mapped with CAMP will appear with a blue informational bubble, such as next maintenance date, airframe hours, and landings. You can update the current totals for your aircraft, add the next dues for all other areas that are not mapped with CAMP, and add additional parts for tracking. You can see which additional parts are mapped with CAMP as well. Once you've updated the current totals and next dues, hit Save, and this will feed over to CAMP. We also perform a nightly systems check to verify the integration is working smoothly. It's important to note that this page and the integration is only beneficial if you are currently confirming flight, duty, and aircraft logs in Schedaero. If you are not, please see our help page where there is a video posted outlining how to confirm these 3 areas. I hope this webinar has given everyone an overview of our CAMP integration and how to activate and set up your aircraft. If you're interested in this integration, please reach out to your Schedaero sales representative and look for additional training sessions reviewing other areas of Schedaero. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.